Hello everyone, I just recently purchased a magnetic wristband by Spartan wrist, and I bought it because I thought it was something just to have around, but I tried it out, and the first thing I noticed is that it has a powerful magnetic pouch inside. And any projects, I usually go up the ladder, and look at this. Just put a few screws on there. I usually have to carry about 20 screws up, and then if I run out, then I have to come back down and get it. Very strong, and that's why I enjoy it. And then, you know, once I run out, I should have the job done by then. And then, very simple to take off. And you're back to an empty pad here. Very simple to put on. There's magnets here. Strap goes all the way around. So a person with a thicker arm, the strap will go perfectly on. And what I notice is, as you can see, is skinny arm, and the strap fits very beautiful. Also, what I like is I do a lot of little projects, which contains little screwdrivers. And what I like is it has pockets, kind of loops in here, and I could carry the screws around and not forget where I put them because it's right on my wristband. And then any screws, like for example, I like to use this type of screws. Once again, put a few of them on there, and then instead of trying to figure out where I put the cup of screws, all I got to do is move it, take one, take my screw, and I'm working on it. Very simple. And I'm going to demonstrate how good this magnet is. Let me just put all these here. And this is an ordinary hammer, okay, 16 ounce, 1 pound. And I won't recommend you guys trying this. Is that the magnet's so strong that it actually holds it. So you can actually feel it. It goes on, and then easy to come off. And I recommend this to anyone doing projects. Has a lot of screws, and I already know what to order for the holidays for my family.